Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best AI tool to generate quiz questions and answers, which is Maro AI. So let's get started. Maro is an AI-powered platform designed to help users create engaging quizzes and tests quickly and efficiently. It addresses several needs in content creation and lead generation by providing an intuitive interface that simplifies the quiz-making process. The link to Maro AI is given in the description below. The need for a tool like Maro AI arises from the growing demand for interactive content in marketing and education. Quizzes and tests not only engage audiences, but also serve as effective lead generation tools, helping businesses capture valuable information about potential customers. In an age where attention spans are short, creating content that stands out is crucial. Maro allows users to generate eye-catching and relevant quizzes that can stop users mid-scroll on social media or websites. With Maro, you can leverage the power of AI to develop engaging content. Simply write a straightforward prompt and provide reference materials such as PDFs, URLs, or YouTube videos to guide the AI in generating relevant questions. The platform supports 14 different languages, enabling you to reach a broader audience. You can also customize the quizzes by setting limits on the number of questions and answer choices, as well as selecting the difficulty level and tone of voice that best resonates with your target demographic. To generate a quiz with Maro, start by writing a clear prompt that defines the topic. Add reference materials like PDFs, URLs, or YouTube videos to provide context for the AI. Select the desired language, limit the number of questions and answer choices, and specify the quiz's difficulty level and tone of voice. Use the AI to create a cover image by describing the style you want. Review the generated questions, making any necessary adjustments or additions. Once satisfied, share the quiz via a link or embed it on your website. Finally, track its performance through analytics to monitor engagement and effectiveness. Once your quizzes are live, you can track important analytics such as views, leads generated, and completion rates, giving you valuable insights into your audience's engagement levels. Sharing your quizzes is a breeze. Simply copy the link to share on social media or use the embed code to incorporate them directly into your website. As we wrap up, remember that Maro is your go-to solution for creating engaging quizzes and tests that not only captivate your audience, but also drive lead generation. With its intuitive AI capabilities, you can quickly turn your ideas into interactive content, customize every aspect to suit your target demographic, and track valuable insights to enhance your marketing strategy. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your content game. Check out the link to Maro AI in the description below.